Look what I've got here. Got a beautiful lamb on the barbecue. And wow. Let's see. Look at this beautiful, amazing lamb on the barbecue. Hi my friend, Beppe Manzoli, your professional private chef. Here I've got another lesson, a beautiful leg of lamb on the barbecue. And if you keep watching, I show you all the steps. And it's very tender, it's amazing. So here we use apple wood, okay, and we start to light the fire. And almost soon I use the lamb straight. So I'm gonna use, you put the lamb aside of the fire and you start to cook it straight, so you don't lose the heat. And also you start to smoke it as well. And as you can see here on the right, there is this piece of metal, okay. In this way I direct the heat to the meat. And also, yes, I have to turn it often, but as you can see, I can direct the smoke and the heat to the meat. And I'm keeping going to do this process for about 1 hour. Now when the fire will go down, and I'm gonna bring the meat on top of the charcoal. Now at this point, you see, at this point is nice, caramelized. It's beautiful. It's not ready. Was 40 minutes already on there, so it need a couple of hours in order to be ready. But as you can see, I start to bring it on the charcoal. So I'm taking off my piece of metal, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on top a big pot, and I create a kind of oven. Now I show you what I'm doing. So like this, a very big pot, and I keep all the steam, I keep all the smoke, and I keep all the heat. And in this way the lamb will cook nicely and slowly, and all the flavor stay in there in the lamb. As you can see, beautiful. It's beautiful, nice, caramelized. It's amazing. And so I keep like this for about half hour. After that, I cook it nicely, and I'm gonna bring the meat in a cartouche. In the cartouche, I show you here. I prep all the herbs. Got the garlic, the herbs. I've got paprika, turmeric, and extra virgin olive oil. I'm prepping this paste, and then I'm gonna brush the meat. And when the meat is brushed, coated. When the meat is coated, I'm gonna make a cartouche, and I'm gonna cook the lamb at slow temperature, very slow, for about 1 hour. Here, as you can see, I prepare my cartouche with clean foil and baking paper. Clean foil and baking paper. Here you get your herbs. Close down your cartouche, and then you put it back, and now you leave it for about 1 hour. The whole process is about 2 hours. And look how beautiful is this meat. Just natural flavor, nothing, no preservative, everything natural, beautiful. Look at this meat. Look at here, how beautiful, nice and juicy, incredible, amazing, beautiful. Look at beautiful, nice and juicy, natural flavor, and natural flavor, natural from the nature. Okay, my friend, I hope you have enjoyed